Hey guys, so to start off with this look, I'm taking the Morphe 35B, dipping right into that orange shade on ABH Cosmetic 101 blending brush, and I'm using this as my transition color, and I'm really going to pack on all the colors that I'm using in this video so everything can be really bold and vibrant. Back in the 35B palette, I'm taking this hot pink shade, and on the same brush, I'm just going to apply this directly in my crease. Next, dipping into the purple shade right there on a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I forgot the number, but I'm going to place every single detail, everything I use, numbers, shades, all of that in the description box for you guys. And I really like this brush though. It's really great for getting colors directly in your crease. So yeah, I'm placing this directly in my crease, and I'm really building this color up because I like my looks to be bold and vibrant. Okay. So next, you guys, I'm just placing a matte black eyeshadow in the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm using the same brush. I don't like to switch up on a whole bunch of different brushes for my looks. I just use the same brushes sometimes, and yeah, I'm going to blend that out. And like I said, I only place the black in the outer corners of my eye. Next, taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium on a ABH number 18 flat concealer brush, which is amazing, you guys, to cut your crease. This is my favorite brush now for cutting the crease and cleaning up my eyebrows. Taking the same ABH brush, I applied the purple and the black with. I'm picking up more of the black and just blending out the edge of that concealer so we won't have any harsh lines, and it's looking flawless. Yes, boo, it's looking flawless. And when I tell you guys I was so mad to take this makeup off, like, oh, I was so mad. Moving on to glitter, I'm first going to apply the NYX Glitter Primer, and this is the Mermaid glitter from Certifeye. And with the same brush that I used to cut my crease, I'm going to apply the primer first and use my Sigma E54 brush to pack on this glitter. Right after I apply the glitter, I'm going to take the yellow NYX Vivid Brights liner, and I'm going to go right above the glitter for an extra pop of color. So moving on to skin, I'm taking my Pond's moisturizer, and I'm going to moisturize my face before I cake on products on my face. And I went ahead and finished my liner off camera because it was just too difficult to film. So for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Golden. I'm going to place this all over my face, and I'm not really sure how I feel about this foundation just yet, but I love that it comes with a pump, and I love the consistency of it. I like a more thicker consistency in a foundation. So next, I'm just going to blend this all out with my favorite beauty blender by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. For concealer, I'm using the same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, but this one's in the shade Tan Sand. I'm placing this underneath my eyes, on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, a little on my forehead. And right here, you guys see me just cleaning up underneath my eyeshadow in the outer corners just to make it nice and sharp. And after I apply all my concealer, I'm going to go in with the same beauty blender to blend all of this out. So right after all my concealer is blended out, I'm taking my Airspun powder, and this is mixed in with some Benai Banana powder just to give it a more yellow tone to it. And I'm using the same sponge I applied the foundation and the concealer with. What is wrong with me? I can't talk. And I'm going to set all the areas I placed the concealer. So you guys, I already applied my liner and my eyelashes, as you can see, and I will place everything I'm using, like I said, in the description box, the lash brand and everything. So for contouring, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, taking that dark shade on a large contour brush that I got from Marshalls. I get most of my brushes from Marshalls, y'all, because they are so cheap and they are so pretty. Well, this one's not that pretty. This one's really old, but you guys know what I mean, like... So I'm going to take that same shade on a NYX concealer brush and contour my nose just lightly. I don't like heavy contours because it can make your look turn drag really quick, and I don't like that look. So next I'm going to set my face with the Wet n Wild matte finish spray. I had it on the wrong side. But yeah, I'm just going to spray my face with that. And while my face sets, I like to go back in and finish off my eyes, and I'm just picking up that same Morphe 35B and using the same pink and the same purple I applied in the crease. And the brush I'm using is a Makeup Addiction shader brush. I really like this brush a lot to pack on colors on the lid and to blend it out on the lower lash line. So for mascara, I'm using the Black Radiance Full Effect Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my lower lashes and my top lashes. Finally, time for the glow. I'm bringing back out one of my faves, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And the brush I'm using is the Anastasia number 23 highlighting brush. This is one of my favorite drugstore highlighters, and also I really like the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. That one's really bomb as well. So you guys, I love a poppin' brow highlight, okay? So I'm using the same highlighter on a Anastasia A14 pencil brush to highlight my brow bone. So let's talk about this pigment, honey. This pigment is from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in the shade Gold Digger. It's like a neon green. It is beautiful for the inner corners, especially on colorful eye looks. And I'm using the same brush I used to highlight my brow bone. And look at that. It just gives it a more pop of color. I feel like it just completes the look altogether. It's gorgeous. Boom. So for lipstick, I decided to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Grim, which went so well with this makeup look. If you do recreate and want to try out this look, you can also use a dark purple lipstick and of course a nude lipstick. The completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup look. If you do recreate it, please tag me on Instagram so I can see and give you a shout out and some love or whatever. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.